Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install PostgreSQL on CentOS 7 from the repositories, from the system repositories. So let's get started. Let's get listing first. Type in sudo yum list postgresql star. So here you can see list of all packages. We will be installing this one, postgresl-server, the version 9.2. So install it by typing sudo yum install and then package name, press enter, confirm by pressing yes. So the installation has been completed, and now we just need to initialize database by typing postgresql-setup space initdb, and it will initialize the cluster. Now we need to create service for our database. Type in sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL, press enter. Also we need to start the service by typing sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL, and we can also check the status of our service by typing sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. So here you can see it is running. Now we can also log in to our database. So I will be using this user sudo su space dash postgres. So this is the username which we are using. So now I'm running my shell as this user postgres, and I can log into database without any password by typing psql, and this is database shell. You can type this help to see what you can do here, but you can also use this command to list all databases. You can also connect to some database by typing this command connect and then database name. So I think this is it for this tutorial. I think this was useful for you, and thank you for watching.